In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Python code using Relevance AI's agent, a powerful platform designed for building and managing AI tools seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Relevance AI website. It's an innovative platform that empowers businesses with AI-driven solutions, providing a host of tools to build your AI workforce effortlessly. As you open their homepage, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will redirect you to the sign in page. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Relevance AI account to ensure a smooth login process. Once you've entered your email, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. After that, you'll be directed to the password entry field. Type in your password and then click Continue again to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option for password recovery, always a handy option if needed. Now that you're in the dashboard, this is your hub for accessing all the tools and features available in Relevance AI. To start writing Python code, find the Tools section, which is where you'll manage and create your AI tools. Click on this to move to the next step. You'll then see a plus New Tool button. This is your gateway to adding new functionalities to your workflow. Click on it and you'll be given the option to either select pre-existing templates or build one from scratch. For our purposes today, let's focus on creating from scratch. This offers the flexibility to tailor the tool according to your specific needs. Once you've decided on building anew, you'll notice an Add Step option. Click on this to include a new operational step in your tool. Among the options presented, select Python code. This opens up a block editor where you can start writing your Python scripts directly. This feature is particularly useful when you need to customize business logic or integrate specific functionalities that the pre-built templates don't cover. If your tool needs to interact with external functionalities, you'll want to configure an API next. This setup ensures your tool can communicate effectively with other software services, thereby broadening its capabilities and integration potential. After everything is configured, go ahead and click on Run Step. This action tests your code to ensure it's functioning as expected. Lastly, after verifying that your code runs smoothly, click on Run Tool to deploy your new Python-powered tool. This will activate the tool, making it available for use within your AI workflows. With these steps completed, you've successfully written and deployed Python code in Relevance AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.